Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to restore from backup your Atomic wallet. If you have forgot your Atomic wallet password and want to restore, this video is for you. Now moving on to the video, first of all open your Atomic wallet. Then it will ask you your password to log in. If you have forgot your password, click to restore from top right corner. There, enter your 12 word backup phase. Once you have entered your 12 word backup phase, click to I accept the terms and condition, then click to restore. Then set a new password Set a new password with at least of 8 characters with a combination of uppercase letter, lowercase letter, symbols and numbers. Once you have created a password, click to set. To confirm your password, retype your password again. Then click to confirm. Then your password of your Atomic wallet will be reset and your Atomic wallet will be restored. This is how you can restore from backup your Atomic wallet. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.